See Weatherland. Here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, this time last night we were talking about the rough and tumble weather to come, and boy, did Mother Nature deliver. Not necessarily across Acadiana, but this is up toward Alexandria, and also we had Lake Charles damage as well today. A lot of cleanup, Calcasieu Parish, and then Rapides Parish as well. Rapides Parish, that's where the strongest tornadoes were, and we're going to take a look at that coming up in just a bit. In fact, as a weather nerd, I always like to look back at the infrared satellite imagery and watch how the system evolved and how it pushed on through. And late in this imagery, you can see some of the cloud cover thinning, and these are actually the lakes showing up, western Louisiana and Texas. So skies are going to clear, but you can see those strongest storms, the purple, coldest cloud tops. That's when we had the storms producing those isolated tornadoes, and they weren't so isolated. A total of about 15 in the state. All total, per the Storm Prediction Center, there were over 176 reports of wind damage up from the Midwest down to the Gulf Coast, and at least 19 tornadoes. 15 of those tornadoes in Louisiana, about 5 in Washington Parish and extreme eastern Louisiana, a few in Mississippi, and then the tornadoes across central Louisiana all the way back down through the Lake Charles area. And new tonight, National Weather Service going out and doing some storm damage in around the Glenmora area, southwestern Rapides Parish, and then surveyed that storm up in around the Alexandria area. And what they found, strongest winds, EF2 category, high-end EF2, almost EF3, 135-mile-per-hour winds with those storms in the Alexandria area, and that will almost always do damage, and fortunately no fatalities, so that is the great news. But I did write an article summarizing some of the tornadic activity. Most of the activity in Louisiana, as we go back here, was generally in the EF1 to EF2 range, most of them EF2, EF1 in southwestern Louisiana, and then several EF1s over in eastern Louisiana, strongest of which were in the Alexandria area that we just showed you. So after that, we are pretty lucky. Not much rainfall as well, about 1 to 3 inches of rain, well below any flooding thresholds. And the bonus today was the cooler air that followed that system with the cloud cover, now chilling down nicely down into the upper 50s locally, mid 50s surrounding spots. So cool air will continue to move in. The clouds will clear out by tomorrow morning. Maybe some lingering clouds eastern and southeastern sections of Acadiana, but we're going to be mostly sunny and pleasant throughout the day, with generally a northwesterly wind turning a little bit more westerly in the afternoon, and that's how it's going to play into the latter part of the afternoon. Looks good for a TGIF Friday evening, and Saturday morning another cool one, but with high pressure to the south of us, we'll see southerly winds returning, so warmer temperatures will get into the mid 70s. Then we'll be watching this storm system up to the north and west. Here it comes quickly in on Sunday, so we have to go for at least scattered showers, maybe a few thunderstorms on Sunday, and much of next week is looking a little unsettled. Here's Monday. We'll go to Tuesday, maybe a little bit of a break after morning showers, more showers possibly into Wednesday. Then we go to Thursday, Friday. You're getting the idea. We do have the latest European model always available online at KATC.com. If we're lucky, we squeeze in a nice Sunday a week from this Sunday. So as we look tonight, this is the good stuff. We'll concentrate on that. Mid 40s your low northern parishes, mid to upper 40s I-10 corridor, with Lafayette being one of the milder spots with that heat island effect, and mid to upper 40s to near 50 along the coast. So nice and cool tomorrow morning. Jackets and sweaters for sure. Warming up nicely in the afternoon. Temperatures get into the upper 60s, but with light winds, it's actually going to feel warmer than that, but it's still going to feel great. Upper 40s, lower 50s tomorrow night, and going into Saturday, we'll see readings well into the mid 70s. So feeling good out there. The clouds thinning out and clearing out later on tonight. 49 the low, so no air conditioner, no heater needed, just enjoyed. A beautiful Friday, mostly sunny skies, nice and pleasant. You'll need the sunglasses certainly for tomorrow. And as we go down the road, lots of sunshine Saturday. There's the rain chances on Sunday. Hopefully we can lower those rain chances, but they may go up. We'll see how the models look tomorrow. Going into next week, a little unsettled. Temperatures warm up, they cool down, they warm up, they cool down, they warm up, and then they cool down. If you read that 10-day forecast as fast as I did.
I think that's what we just need to have you do every night.
Yeah,
You know?
just take it through
Just
it.
sum it
just
up,
like
get
that.
to the point for
Get to the
everybody.
point. It's going to warm up, cool
The
down, warm up.
anchors who might have dozed off.
Yeah,
Now
yeah.
we know. That's what it is, Rob. Thanks.